にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, vocabulary video number 43, and we're going to talk about money. Actually, the money that we pay, so it's like a price. But actually, there are several types, but today we're going to study 6 words. The first one is 金額, 金額. Here, 金, this is the kanji of お金, money. So, in English, you say the amount of money. When we talk about 金額, it's important to refer to the specific and concrete amount of money, the specific numbers. 金額 indicates how much money there is, and everything that can be replaced by coins and bills, then this is 金額. This word 金額 includes these words that I'm gonna tell you now. 価格、費用、値段、料金. So when we talk about 金額, we must express 具体的な数を具体的な数字. It means 具体的, this is concrete and specific numbers. Payment amount, we can say in 3 ways. At first, 支払い金額 with 4 kanjis. 支払い金額. Or we can add here い. 支払い金額. 払います. This is the verb to pay. Or we can also omit this 金. 支払い額. 支払い額. But all of them mean the same. The second word that means price. 価格. 価格 refers to the amount of money to pay when trading goods or also services. 価格 refers to the amount of money presented by the seller of goods and services to the buyer who is going to pay as 価格, as a price. Price list. 価格表. 価格表. Price adjustment. 価格調整. 価格調整. The third word, 値段. 値段 is also price. The meaning is exactly the same, but the difference is when we say 価格, this is more formal. It sounds formal. And when we say 値段, this is very common and we use it in our daily life. The price of gasoline or the price of petrol is going up. ガソリンの値段。ガソリンの値段が上がります。ガソリンの値段が上がります。Now exactly the same sentence but using 価格 instead of 値段. But this is more formal situation. Let's think this is the news on the TV. ガソリンの価格が上昇します。ガソリンの価格が上昇します。To rise, to increase. This is 上昇します。About the same meaning, but something が上がります。To goes up. So 上がります sounds normal in the common conversation. 上昇します。This is more formal situation. So now you see, 値段 and 価格 both means the price, but we can use 値段 in the normal and common conversation, daily life conversation. And 価格, this sounds more formal. 4番目, the cost, expenses. 費用, this is also the amount of money, but this is to use, this is expenses, 費用. When we use 費用, this is the amount of money that we need to do something. We use here this kanji, 用. This means for something. So we need some money or we use money to do something special, something specific. When we purchase something, some goods for some kind of purpose, and this is 費用, and we can see them. But if it's not visible, it's kind of services, this is also 費用. For example, The entrance fee of amusement park 遊園地の入場料 This can be also 費用 because this is the fee, the money necessary to have a good time with children. The entrance fee of the art gallery 展覧会の入場料 And this can be also 費用 because this is the amount of money this 入場料 the entrance fee is to educate children. The travel cost or the travel expenses 旅行の費用 The divorce cost 離婚の費用 Transportation expenses 交通費 In this case, we don't have to say 交通費用 or 交通の費用 but just we don't say this よ and only this 交通費 transportation expenses food costs food expenses 食費 this 漢字食食べます and 食事 the food so 食費 this is food costs food expenses requires some money 食費がかかります食費がかかります The university required some money 大学は費用がかかります、大学は費用がかかります wasted cost 無駄な費用 useless meaningless waste or in vain 無駄 this is noun 無駄 and 無駄な adjective it's just waste of time 時間の無駄です時間の無駄です it's waste of money お金の無駄ですお金の無駄です5番目 The fifth word 料金 This is the amount of money to pay for using something. In English, you can translate in many ways. 料金 price, the fee, the rate, the charge, and many other things. 料金 can mean admission fee. It means, for example, 入場料 This is also 料金 admission fee, entrance fee. Because 料金 here the kanji, and here we use 料 so 入場料 admission fee. And before I told you 入場料 can be 費用. So in this case 入場料 can be 費用 and also 料金. Gas bill and electricity bill ガス料金 or 電気料金. So this is also 料金. Shipping cost, delivery cost, 送料 so 送ります to send 送料 and this 料 comes from 料金 cost money, fee charging 有料 this 料 comes from this one 料金 and so 料金があります the 料金 exists so this is you must pay your but 無料無ない it doesn't exist so 無料 it means it's free of charge. Now the last word number 6 物価 this is also price. Kanji meaning this put things もの and ka this is value so the value of the things. In English, you say cost of living or the commodity price or CPI. Cost of living is going up or the price index is increasing. 物価が上がっています。物価が上がっています。Price index is high. 物価が高いです。物価が高いです。Price is cheap. In this sentence, we can use both 安い cheap and also 低い the index is low. 物価が安いです。物価が低いです。物価が安いです。物価が低いです。Today we learned 6 words to say price. 金額、価格、値段、費用、料金、物価。6 ways to say about money, お金。Before a quiz, I want you to think about this word, 商品. This is product. And the price of the product. Which word can you think? At first, 商品の金額. This is right because 金額, this is the amount of money, but exact amount of the money. The exact amount of the money of this product. 商品の金額. So this is correct. The second, 商品の価格. This is also correct because 価格, this is the price that the sellers had set. So 商品の価格. This is correct. The third, 商品の値段. The price of this product. This is also correct. We can use it because 値段, this is the price that we use in everyday life. 4番目、商品の費用。But this sounds too strange because 費用, this means the amount of money that we use to do something. To do something. For example, to travel. This is 費用. But 商品, the product, this sounds too strange. We don't use it. 5番目、商品の料金. This is also very strange. We don't use it because 料金, this is the money, the amount of money that we pay to use something. For example, to use trains and buses like this. So the 商品, the product, it is too strange. 6番目、最後です。商品の物価. This is also strange because 物価, this is the cost of living. So everything, not only one thing like 商品, this product. So this is not correct. Now a quiz time with 4 translations into Japanese. I want you to use one of these vocabularies. 1番目、We have a meeting today to decide the price of new products. New products. We say 新製品. 新製品. This 新 comes from 新しい, new. And 製品, these two words together, products. So new products. To decide something, transitive verb, something を決める, something を決めます. 2番目、The electricity bill of this month, it was very expensive. 3番目、The price index in the USA is much higher than in Japan. 4番目、最後です。Oh, excuse me, what is the price of these clothes? I hope you could understand the differences between these words. If this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. And also, I want you to share my videos with your friends. That will be a great help for me. いかがでしたか？今日はコメントにいただいていた皆様の質問の一つを選んでビデオにしました。その方の質問では具体的に価格と値段、これの違いは何ですかということでした。そして私自身が、でも料金とか費用、これも似ているなと思って付け加えたんです。その他にもっと大きい意味での金額とか物価もこのビデオでお話ししました。このビデオが役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてできれば私のビデオをお友達に紹介してください。本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオも遊びに来てください。待ってますよ。 じゃあね、またね。